I wish you to know that you are the bravest ones here, if you stand it here till this moment.
大家好，感谢你们今天住在这里，你们真的很有感。开始吧。
I will cover an interesting topic of trading without technical indicators.
今天的节目是无技术的指标的交易，很有意思的。
Which is more interesting for people who are trading by themselves.
就是这个讲演针对自己做买卖的人。
So let's start.
开始吧。
A recent development in technology has evolved a bunch of complex math algorithms, which are put in the basis of tech indicators. This development led most retail traders to a new thinking that presented indicator analysis is must and key to Forex success. I'm not among these traders.
技术的最新发展已经产生了很多复杂的数学算法，它们是在技术指标的基础上使用的。这种发展导致了大多数零售商的新思潮。他们的意思是，指标分析和交易是外汇成功的关键。我不是这样的商人。
There is a threat of indicators. They often keep losing traders in a holding pattern. Focusing on indicators may be one of the primary reasons that some Forex traders do not make money. Indicators can be confusing, helpful, and just plain wrong, says famous analyst Walter Peters.
指标的危险，由于指标交易者常常不采取行动，久等。著名分析师沃尔特·比特斯说，可能是一些外汇交易商不挣钱的最重要的原因就是他们特别注意指标。指标有时候很混乱，毫无帮助，并且完全错误的。
By focusing too much on complex solutions which are hard to identify and follow by yourself, traders probably lose a clearer image of the current market situation.
复杂的解决方法很难识别和领会，所以假如说商人特别注意复杂的解决方法，他有可能对市场现状不太清楚。
Luckily, there is an answer for this call, and its name is trading without technical indicators, or naked trading.
幸运的是，有一种解决这个问题的方案，这是非技术指标的交易，或者说裸交易，所谓金融的俚语。
The fundamental argument in non-indicator trading is price is the most important indicator of all. All indicators are derived from price itself, therefore understanding price behavior is critical.
非指标交易的基本论点就是价格最重要的指标，所有的指标不考虑价格，因此关键就是了解价格变化情况。
So trading without technical indicators includes following trading plugins. I've put them in the descending order by importance and will shortly describe each of them, okay?
非指标的交易包括下列的部分，这些部分我们叫做插件。我已经把它们按重要性排序，并马上每一个都会给你们介绍。然后我们谈一下时况的交易，好啊。
So the first point is static levels.
第一个插件就是静态层次。
Static levels are based on historical extremal points of previous trading and are useful for both setting targets and entering markets.
静态层次以前交易的历史机制点为根据，它对定向目标和进入市场的很有用。
As an example, I take US dollar to Swiss franc. This screenshot was made about 3 weeks ago, so we are covering October and November.
举个例子，我选了美元对瑞士法郎。我截下了这张图的时候是三个星期前，就是11月份。
So USD CHF posted a local maximum of 0.9690 at 5th of October, and since that time it worked already once as an effective resistance here.
它10月5号，这个它的局部对 最大值在0.9690，然后11月份还是回到这个最大值。
On 11th of November, the price approached this level again. This is your turn.
那11月11号，这个价格接近了这个程度，又是接近了这个程度，就是刚才说的转动。
What I did is I put a short position right at this moment and put stop loss right above this price.
那我们把静态层次保存了在图表上，并用它作为空头头寸的入门级，止损正好就在它的上面。
Let's see what happens next. Next slide, please.
让我们看看接下来会发生些什么。
So USD-CHF used this exact level as a trigger to sell it. What is interesting is that already on previous chart we've had an exact target point. It's marked with the orange line.
美金对瑞士法郎是用了静态层次，启动了过几天的减价出售。我们已经在前面的图表看过目标，那个橙色的趋势线，还记得吗？
So this is the concept of dynamic levels. In fact, you connect the extremal levels of previous minimum and get a projection which works as a take profit.
那这就是动态层次的理念。为了得到预测水平，你们把核对的极值曲线连在一起。这个预测水平可以当作障碍或者目标。
I would emphasize a simple option because this is the basis of non-indicator trading. Before I continue, I'd like to feed you with an argument. Simple doesn't mean non-effective. You get me?
那我想强调这个简单的研究，因为它代表整体的非指标交易的基础。继续讲之前，我给你们令人深思的论证。简单并不意味着没有效益，你们明白吗？
Next slide, please. Yes, so once you prepare your charts using lines like this, you will probably see different technical figures. And I'll present to you two of them. First one is channel.
所以一旦你们准备好你们的图表，你们可能会发现，这些线条是如何在不同的架构连起来的。在这里，我给你们介绍一个通道的那个条线的例子。
Please leave the previous slide. Thank you. So as you can see on the upper image, we use the extremal levels, 3 of them, to get a projection of the force price.
在上面你们可以看见3个极值曲线，就是那个外汇的预测。
Next slide. Another example is descending triangle. So you connect the extremal levels and you see that the trading range is constantly shrinking.
那这个是下降的三角形的例子，你们可以看到它怎么作用的。
Let's see the result which we get on the next slide.
那这个是小度。
That was the lower line of the descending triangle, and it's broken upwards for like 170 pips.
那这个是我们在上一个图看过了一个下降的三角形，这是它的效果。
Okay, so I guess by that moment it's clear with static and dynamic levels, and we are moving forward.
那这就是静态和动态层次的概念。
The next tool or trading plugin is a pivot point.
下一个是枢轴点。
Effectively, pivot point is the same static level, but I distinct them as a different tool with the following reason. We can make lots of static and dynamic levels on different time frames, but pivot points are chosen on bigger of them, like daily or weekly charts.
事实上，这也是静态层次。我把它们分开了，因为下面的原因。趋势线一般在不同的时间框架都显示出来，大多数的信息在短期内都可以获得。在较大的时间框架上，数轴点就是控制点，比如说日线图和周线图。
So again, this is a chart of US dollar to Swiss franc, the daily time frame.
那这是再次我们再来看美元对瑞郎的图表，这个是日线图。
What I did here is really simple. I connected the maximum levels of 2012 and 2013. And currently at the moment we are testing this area of 0.96. And it's interesting that this pivot level works this way. Once the price is above 0.96, the main target is rising of the pair. Can you make the next slide, please? So, as we've learned from the previous chart, above 0.96, Swiss franc is about to lose its position, and weekly chart, so even bigger time frame, gives us the target for the following months. Here I connected the levels of 2008 and 2010, and once USD CHF stays above 0.96, the price is going to approach 1.40. I guess that was a really long passage, so don't need to translate the whole of it. Like, can you please translate that pivot levels are special because they are using big time frames?
他的意思是数轴点是非常重要的，因为他们是用大的时间框架。
We may not see them every day.
有可能我们不是每天都可以看到他们的。
But we always need to remember these levels.
但是我们一直应该记住这些水平。
We are going forward for next trading plugin Fibonacci retracements.
下一个我们讨论斐波那契水平。
Yeah, hopefully Fibonacci retracements is familiar to most of you, and in reality there are like multiple options of applying Fibonacci retracements in real trading, but I will highlight several of them.
希望大家都熟悉斐波那契的理论，有好多办法如何在交易使用斐波那契的理论。提到非指标的研究，我要强调以下几个方面。
So the first rule is that during strong impulse, the price is likely to return to 23.6% retracement.
首先，这个水平会告诉你，价格强势的话，可能从23.6%的障碍反弹。
Under normal market situation, it's likely that price reaches 38.2% retracement for confirmation.
当市场比较稳定的话，交易商预计价格将达到38.2%的程度。
50% and 61.8% are most likely rebound points.
那50%和61.8%是被认为是入口点。
Let's see if you've got any examples.
看一下例子。
So again, this is US dollar to Swiss franc. I guess this is my favorite instrument at the moment.
他 最喜欢是美元对瑞士法郎的例子。
In the left corner, you see horizontal lines of Fibonacci retracements.
在那边你可以看到斐波那契的
Fibonacci. So, at the moment, the price has touched 23.6% performance, and I've got a question for you. Is this a good entry level to buy?
那在那边价格已经达到了23.6%的障碍。那你们觉得现在会不会做买单吗？做一个买单吗？
According to rules which I've previously described to you, this is better to look until price goes lower to 38.2% retracement.
那最好等到价格达到38.2%的程度，再做一个买单。
Let's turn to next slide to see what happens.
那我们看一下会发生些什么。
So this is the same retracement table.
这是一样的斐波那契水平的表。
Previously we saw the price at this point.
以前我们看过了，价格是在那个点。
And thanks to waiting for some time, it's finally reached our target, 38.2%.
但是我们等了一会儿，然后价格已经达到了我们的目标，我们的目标是38.2%的程度。
This is how Fibonacci works.
这就是斐波那契怎么操作。
The following trading plugin is Elliott Wave Theory.
下一个是埃利奥特波理论。
Yes, right. In particular, Elliott Wave is a deep topic itself, so it's hard to describe it during one presentation. Luckily, yesterday we had a really perfect description of Elliott Wave in particular.
那埃利奥特波理论，它的战略本身是非常深奥的主题，但是幸运的是，我们昨天已经谈过了埃利奥特的战略。
The main thing you need to remember about Elliott Wave is that it helps you to understand the movement.
就是最重要的，你们应该知道关于埃利奥特波理论是它让你们了解行动。
What I personally like about non-indicator trading is that it could be effectively used on any time frames, both 5 minutes or weekly charts.
我个人喜欢非指标交易，就是因为它在任何时间关卡提供同样精确的预测，就是周线图和5分钟线图。
At the same time, technical indicators are most effective only on certain time frames.
同时，为了就是一些指标常常在大的时间关卡有限制。
Next slide. Here is a review of 3 main positions of price you need to remember during your everyday trading.
你们做每天的买卖的时候，应该记住价格的3个位置，最重要的。
When you open your trading platforms, the first question you need to ask yourself is where it is right now.
最开始的时候，你们应该问一下，价格正在哪里？
Is it a good entry or close point?
这是入口点还是闭点？
The second question could be, where is it going to be? You need to set a clear stop loss and take profit levels.
那第二个问题就是将来价格会在哪里？你们必须设定明确的止损和获利水平。
This is the idea of previous speaker, which is described in simple words.
这是刚才 讲的那个从美国来的金融学家的理论。
You need to be really disciplined with your trading.
就是你们必须保持安静，就是保持安静的行为，跟你们的价格。
That is why you always need to set stop loss and take profit levels.
就是这些，就是这样，你们一定必须设定止损和获利水平。
And finally, the third question should be where the price came from. A reversal or rebound point is the following probable barrier or goal.
那第三个问题是，价格是从哪里来的？反转或反弹点是接下来的障碍或者目标。
Now I'm going to share some practical tips with you.
那现在他会说一些实际情况的例子。
First, always remember historical levels.
第一个是千万不要忘记历史水平。
They may not be displayed on chart, but are recorded in memory and affect price behavior.
他们有可能在图表不显示，但是他们一直在记忆中保存了。
In the beginning of speech, I reminded the horizontal line 0.9690.
在刚开始讲座的时候，他说了关于这个线图。
After a few more days, you will not be able to see the starting point of this line anymore.
但是过了几天，你们会看不到这个线图的入口点。
At the same time, you need to remember it because you see it is really effective in the future.
但是你们一定要注意到它，因为它在未来是非常有效的。
Next point, please. From barrier, find target.
从障碍找到目标。
Please pay your attention to the orange line on the chart.
请注意一下，橙色的线在图表上。
In the end of October, this line worked as a resistance.
是10月份，这个线是表现了反抗。
As you can see, this line was broken, and you could think that this line was not actual anymore.
就是你们可以看到这个线，有点破，所以你们有可能有可能认为，它不是真实的。
In reality, 3 weeks afterwards, it perfectly worked as a goal.
但是，事实上3个星期之后，这个线当了一个目标。
The third rule, combination is a better confirmation.
第3个是组合是一个更好的确认。
What I mean is that a certain level becomes even stronger, where it meets several tools at the same time.
他的意思是，一定的水平会被降。如果他遇到了一些目标。
I talk about this area
就是他说这个点，
where a horizontal line
这个横线，
meets a trending line from channel.
它接近了这个。
So you get 2 support levels at one time. That's why it works perfectly.
所以你可以看见它 是。
Can we move further? So, and in the end, some final thoughts. Always remember, trading psychology and how you may both identify and change your thinking, because this is the real factor in your trading.
就是最后一些他的想法，你们需要永远记住，交易心理和如何识别和改变自己的思考，就是你交易成功的真正的原因。
The method I've described to you gives you a high probability forecast and a high potential for being successful. It is guaranteed only once you have your risk under control.
这种方法，给你一个高概率的预测和伟大的成功潜力，它仍然是没有保证的，就是因为它取决于你的对风险的态度。
I thank you for the attention. If you've got any questions, you are mostly welcome.
谢谢大家，如果你们有问题的话，请问他。